Number 5, check in on the brows and smooth. Twice, I check in on the smoothing process of the brow lamination. I perform the check-in once after 4 minutes and once after 8 minutes time has elapsed. You can see when the time has elapsed by looking at your timer. After 4 minutes, I check in on the brow in an organized manner by opening one hair clip, then removing the cosmetic wrap from the brow to expose it. I fold the wrap backward towards the opposite brow. Using the previously saturated doe foot applicator, I smooth the brow hairs in an upward direction. I use the tiny disposable wand to brush through the brow, ensuring all the hairs are smooth, lifted, and saturated. I place the cosmetic wrap back over the first brow, secure it with a clip, and repeat on the second brow. Return to this smoothing process at the 8-minute mark. Number 6, remove the first step of lamination product after the timer has alerted you that 10 minutes has elapsed. Step 1, expose the first brow by removing and folding back the cosmetic wrap towards the opposite brow. Use one water wipe to remove all product residue from the brow. Discard the water wipe. Repeat on the second brow. Discard second water wipe and disposables used in this step.